Hey guys, just want to come to y'all with another unboxing video. Today we have the Philips Hue Light Starter Kit. This is the colored bulbs. There are 4 bulbs in this, as long as the bridge, which is the bridge is required. You can have up to 50 lights connect to a single bridge, so you can expand on this, buy more lights, put more things in your house. I have some friends that recommended this, and so I decided to take a look into it. Just looking at the box, we can see that obviously we can control the home from our phone. You can wake up and go to sleep naturally. So I believe there is some kind of a like wake up feature that you can use where the lights will turn on gradually over time. 16 million colors, so you can do basically any color you can imagine, as well as it does have different settings for warmer light and cooler light. So you can do a warmer white color, or you can do a more cool daylight color, depending on what you want. You can create the lightings to be easier on your eyes if you're reading or doing anything like that. Really easy to do. You can sync the lights up with your music. You can have it, go with the music. You can also set timers if you want lights to come on and go off at certain times. Let's say, for instance, you put one of these light bulbs on your porch and you want it to come on about the time that the sun goes down. And, you can either keep it on all night, or you can have it turn off at midnight. You can set those up, I believe, with this with the application that comes with this. Again, it is installation free dimming, so the lights are completely dimmable. You can use your Google Home, Alexa, I believe even Siri to control your lights, and you can even use it for gaming. So let's go ahead and open up the box here, see what's inside, so that we can show you guys. So I'm gonna flip this open. First thing I see here is some instructions on how to set it up, how to get your lights configured with the home. That's really nice, really clean there. First thing we'll see here is the hub. It is a lot smaller than I expected it to be. It is just a little box here. Has some lights on the front that'll identify if it's working or not. You can mount this on a wall. It does have some holes on the back for screws and such to install on a wall. It does connect via Ethernet to your existing router or your Wi-Fi network, as well as it has power supply. So I'm going to set that here. We have some instructions on the Philips Hue. So basically congratulating us on entering the world of Hue. Got it in a bunch of different languages. And basically, again, it's just some instructions on how to get started with the light. So go ahead and close this back up. So we'll put that here. And I believe this is probably the same thing. It's just more instructions of warranty, that kind of thing, it looks like. Yes, it does work with the Apple HomeKit. It does say it here. So I believe that means that you can control it with any Apple products, which is good to know. I'll probably set that up. I haven't used the Apple Smart Home feature yet. So this is what the traditional light bulb looks like. Just a normal looking light bulb. Kind of cool. I'll have to do a video of different lighting features when I get these installed. I'm planning on doing one on my porch, my front porch, one on my back porch, and the other 2 I'm just going to put in some lamps in our living space. And so that's really what I bought this for. Depending on how I like it, I will likely expand on this system and buy some more lights for my house. Philips Hue, which is the brand that these are, they do offer all sorts of different types of lights. You can do your traditional light bulbs. You can do floodlights. You can do LED strip lights that you can do like underneath your kitchen counter or in your rooms. They do uplighting. They do all kinds of different lighting. So with Philips Hue, it's all controllable with this bridge here, which I thought was really cool. So I'll go ahead and pull these light bulbs out, see if there's anything else here in this box. I think the power cable. So there are a total of 4 light bulbs, as you can see here. Let me just lay them out here so that we can all see them. And then last but not least, it looks like we have some networking cable as well as the power cables labeled there on the box. So I'm just gonna open this up and show y'all what that looks like. So we have the charging cable, looks like decent quality. Looks like it does come with a little plate. So I guess if you're traveling into other countries, you can get other adapters for other countries. So that just pops in there like that. Easy to remove. It has a little push button here, so you can remove that pretty easily. That's kind of cool. Don't know why you would necessarily need it. If you bought it in America, I would assume that your house is in America, but you can change it out if you would like. And then also, last but not least, a decent networking cable that you can use to connect the hub to your gateway here, bridge, to your router. So really, that is all that we have here today, and thanks for watching.